If you're a low content publisher, you know Q4 is the biggest sales window of your entire year. Now, personally, historically, I have made over 30% of my publishing income between December and February, with sales usually staying pretty strong well into March and even April. Now, not only do you get that holiday shopping frenzy in November and December, but Christmas morning, tens of thousands of people are gonna find Amazon gift cards in their stockings, and they are gonna be cashing in those things for weeks afterward. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 types of books that you should be focusing on right now so that you can step into the new year with some money in the bank. Plus, I'm gonna give you one extra one at the end so that you can take advantage of the #1 book people are gonna be buying for themselves come January 1st. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Rachel Harrison-Sund, and I help self-publishers turn simple book ideas into passive income. So book #1 is The Stocking Stuffer. These are perfect for impulse buys and under $10 gifts. And I mean, that's really why they work so well. They're small, they're fun, and they are affordable. So think about things like word searches, trivia, Sudoku, hobby-themed journals, self-care mini books, short story collections, all of those types of things. Now, I remember last year, my sister stuck a bedtime-themed word search into my stocking. I actually pulled that out like 3 weeks ago during a bout of insomnia. It was a really good gift. Now, quick tip here, don't just call it, a holiday word search to try and tie in that Christmas theme. Add a unique angle or combine niches like this example right here, this retro fun Christmas word search. Yes, it's a Christmas word search, but they have also tied in that retro theme just to make it a little bit more compelling. Another couple of examples here, we've got the ultimate movie trivia challenge. When I was doing research for this video, this thing was ranked at around just under 60,000. So there's some estimated monthly earnings of about $542 a month. This is only going to go up as we approach the holidays. There's this inspiring stories for amazing boys. This thing was ranked at about 1,600, monthly earnings estimated at about $8,600 a month. And then I also found this 365 questions, 1 per day. This one was ranked just under 71,000, and it had estimated earnings of about $544 a month. Now, are these books using ads? Probably. That's okay. They're still probably making a very healthy profit. And as I said, that's only going to grow as we get closer and closer to the holidays. These are the types of books that are perfect stocking stuffers. The next book is the Keepsake book, and these are perfect for sentimental gift givers. Now, these can work especially well because when there's sentimental value attached to anything, people are usually willing to pay a little bit more. So you want to think about things like guided family journals, holiday traditions or memory books, couples Q&A books, pet keepsakes, even coffee table style books. And if you are interested in learning how to create coffee table books, you can check out this video right here. And don't forget about the hardcover option. If you're creating something with sentimental value that people are meant to keep for a long period of time, hardcover can really lend more of a premium feel to your book. Now, a little stat drop here. One of the top selling keepsake journals, Mom, I Want to Hear Your Story, was ranked at 190 on the entire Amazon store. This thing was earning over $500 a day, and yes, this is a self-published book. This was actually another book that my sister bought for my dad last Christmas, but it was the dad version, Dad, I Want to Hear Your Story, and this was a huge hit. My dad was very, very touched. So a few more examples of the Keepsake book. We've got this beautiful mother and son journal. This was ranked at around 7,000, estimated monthly earnings of about $1,600 a month. We've got another one of these Tell Me Your Life Story Grandma. Bestsellers rank of about 4,800 with estimated monthly earnings of 3,300. And then this, The Story of Us book. This is geared towards couples. This was ranked at 73,000-ish, estimated monthly earnings of $274. And if you're wondering how I'm getting these estimated monthly earnings, I've mentioned this before in other videos, but just in case you're new here, you just want to Google Amazon book sales calculator. This is a free calculator that Dave Chesson from Kindlepreneur has created. You just plug in some of the information that's readily available on the book listing page, and it will give you that estimated earnings. So very useful tool. Now, before we move on to the 3rd type of book, if you want to find out how you can start generating monthly passive income creating books just like this, please download my free guide, 3 Steps to Publishing Your First Low Content Book in Less Than a Day. I have left a link to that down in the description below. So the third type of book is the kid entertainer, aka the sanity saver. This is great for parents, aunts, uncles, or anyone gifting to kids. And they work because they solve a real holiday problem, bored children, right? We want our parents to be able to enjoy a glass of Baileys in peace over the holidays. So you want to think specifically for anything catered to kids of basically any age. So coloring books. These could be holiday themed, but they don't have to be. How to draw, tracing books, joke books, writing prompt books, collections of short bedtime stories, puzzle books, trivia books. And a pro tip here, you want to include the age range in your book so that parents know that it's going to be a match for their kid. So we have got our ultimate book of random fun facts here. This was ranked $6.95 in the store, estimated monthly earnings of just under $12,000 a month. Oh my gosh. We've got the ultimate activity book for smart girls. This is just great. That was ranked at $18.45 with estimated monthly earnings of $6,000. And then we've got this Christmas activity book ranked $87,315 with monthly earnings of just $31. But again, we're not even at Christmas yet. The fact that this is making money at all at this time of year is frankly pretty astounding. This is just from those, super keeners who, already have their Christmas shopping done by the end of October. Good for them. But this is probably going to pick up quite substantially in November and December for sure. Okay, bonus book type here, the New Year Goal Getter book. All right, after all of that gift giving is done, people are going to start to focus on themselves in the coming new year. So these books are going to absolutely explode after Christmas when people redeem gift cards and are chasing that, fresh start, new year, new me feeling. So think about planners, habit trackers, gratitude journals, vision board guides, guided goal setting journals. Now, books in this niche tend to peak in January, but sales usually do start in late December, sometimes earlier for all of those keeners. So you don't want to miss that early momentum. So some examples I found here, the This Year I Will weekly prompts to create the life you want, the 1-minute gratitude journal, and this really cool vision board clip art book, 2-in-1 essentials guide. Now a little bit of a hot tip here, go over to Amazon, go over to the search bar and type in 365 days of, and you're gonna get some nice ideas popping up in that drop-down menu if you wanna cash in on this trend. Now, if you would like to use some high quality public domain work to elevate the books that you plan to create in any of these categories, watch why public domain books are a hidden gold mine on Amazon KDP next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.